ew, why is she posting like an influencer? She only has like 5 followers. Genuinely, why are people saying this? Why are we saying this to creators? It's rude, it's discouraging, it's mean, and everyone has to start somewhere. Every creator started with 0 followers, okay? Every creator started posting as an influencer before they were an influencer. It is not at all embarrassing to post like an influencer if you're not an influencer. It is brave, okay? It is hard to build a platform. It is hard to post. It is scary. I understand that. Here's the truth. People are going to doubt you. People are going to say, like, what are you doing? Until you do it, then they're going to be like, oh yeah, like I knew you could do it the whole time. Literally follow your heart, post what you want. Don't worry about what other people are thinking, which is something I've struggled with too. Okay, this kind of brings me to my next point of this video, which is also like the reason I wanted to make this video, because I've been experiencing something similar. So basically, I just started like reposting my stuff on Snapchat, like trying to grow like a community on there. But my Snapchat that I'm like posting on is also my personal Snapchat. All the people who are currently on the Snapchat are like my friends, like ex-friends, classmates, guys I've talked to. Like, it's everyone I've ever known. And obviously a lot of these people don't know I'm like a creator. And I had a kid swipe up on my story and he was like, why are you like posting this? Like, bro, like you're not like an influencer. And I was like, you know what? Like, I'm not gonna answer this. I'm not gonna feed into someone hating on me. And I'm also just starting on Snapchat. And like I said, like everyone starts somewhere. Nobody just wakes up with like 1 million followers. So my TikTok has to some extent been kind of like a secret from everyone I know, like mutual friends and stuff, not like my close friends. So starting to post on my Snapchat is really like kind of revealing this to like everyone I know. And like I said, I was scared, but I realized like there is no shame in doing what you love, posting what you want, and following your dreams. Like, why are we hating on people? Like, we're thinking like, oh, it's embarrassing to post a video and only get 5 likes, but it's not. Like, you're growing. You are on a journey. And like I said before, it is so brave. It is so bold. Like, even just posting is like so admirable. Okay, I really hope my message like came across in this video. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all so much.